Back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. I want to say, guys, it is amazing to be in the kitchen. It is summer. Are you happy? Well, I'm happy, man. I'm in the kitchen. Anyway, today we're going to show you how you can marinate your jerk chicken for summer. You know what I mean? If you don't want to blend up the season and you have little things at your house, you can use it to make yourself some nice, lovely jerk chicken. Anyway, hopefully you will like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments. It's very important. You're going to see a lot of marinated video coming up because it is summer now. Now it's summer. Summer just started, and you know what I mean, a lot of people gonna do barbecue. You got family coming over from Jamaica, you got family coming from the Caribbean, family coming from America, all over the whole place. So you know you have to do something at home to support the family. Barbecue. But don't know about to drink and eat too much. Anyway, enjoy the recipe, get a copy of the cooking book, and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we're gonna show you how you can ever season your jerk chicken, the best of the best in the whole entire world. You know what I did? I went to the shop and I get two nice lovely piece of leg chicken. Basically, I don't know where you're from, but if any country you are, you want to do your summer barbecue chicken and you've been stressing yourself, this is where all of these ideas come really handy for you. Basically, I got some season right here and I'm gonna simply basically demonstrate to you guys where I'm telling you, you don't need to worry yourself for summer. Summer, you're gonna be happy and you're gonna be okay. Basically, chicken season. Lovely. I'm using a teaspoon paprika, all-purpose season, and some grounded pimento. This is pimento. Dry thyme, and this is the grounded pimento. Basically, what I want to simply say to you, a lot of people do not have the time to put things in blender. They want to just bang 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 and go ahead and do their stuff, especially this summer, especially if you have kids at home and all those things. You want to make life a little bit more easy, and that's where Chef Ricardo tried to come in to fill the gap. So if you want to make yourself a little bit of spicy chicken for the summer, this is where it come in really handy. This is a Jamaican jerk season, and basically what I want to simply say to you, just simply take out just a little bit like this, roughly half teaspoon. You don't need too much. Lovely. If you notice, I have right here, I have half of white onion. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're at home and you want to do something for summer with the kids, then this is where Chef Ricardo fill the gap for you guys. Cut up your spring onion a little bit small, not too big, not too fine. Sprinkle it right on top of it like that. Beautiful. That's your white onion. Sorry guys, we don't need the top part of the spring onion, and we don't need the bottom part of the spring onion. We cut out those parts. Make sure you wash your ingredients first. Nice and lovely. Be careful when you're using your knife. On top of it, just like this, Jamaican fresh thyme. Lovely. I could sure I have some garlic. Yes, here it is. Garlic is a must. Garlic is good for you. Garlic do a lot of work in cooking. I've never tried. So right here I have my garlic. Basically, as you can see, what I'm doing right here, removing the dry bits of it. Simple, cut it up very small, or if you have a garlic crusher, it's really good to use. If you know to use a knife, you can use a knife and simple cut it up just roughly like this, guys. Very basic, simple and thing, and nice. But as you can see right here what I'm doing. Nice one. A nice lovely Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. Of safety, please use gloves. Please wash your knife after you cut up your chicken, your pepper. On top of it, you can cut it up a little bit smaller if you do like. Nice one. I use 2 cloves of garlic on it. Ready? A little bit of vegetable oil or olive oil. It's fine. Nice one. Make sure you get a gloves like this one, guys. I'm telling you, it's very important. Basically, please remember, do not cut yourself or rub up the chicken with your hand. Make sure you use the gloves. And the chicken, if you notice right here, I get the chicken cut two pieces at the side. The reason why I'm doing this kind of way, the chicken this kind of way, all of this seasoning, if you have a blender, you can cut up all of this seasoning and simply basically put it into a blender and blend it, and that's it. But if you don't have that time and you want to do something very quickly, easy and nice, this is where this come in really handy. One of the best ever Jamaican jerk chicken ever made, and here it is. Really nice and lovely. This one you can put it on the grill outside on your barbecue, or if you want to put it in your oven if rain is falling. You don't need to put salt because most of those seasons already got salt. So right here, guys, as you can see, how to marinate your jerk chicken. Very quick, easy and simple. And hopefully you will like the recipe. Leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. As you can see, nice and lovely Jamaican jerk chicken right here. So you don't need to stress yourself and wonder, oh my god, we are gonna get my blender, we're gonna get jerk season, we're gonna do this, we're gonna make my jerk season, I don't have no time. So you can simply do this at home and make yourself a nice lovely summer jerk chicken, guys. Look at it, really nice and beautiful, really marinated. You can get the jerk season at any local shop, supermarket, or if you want to blend up your one, you can blend up your one, but it's gonna take you a little time. But to save time, this is what you can do. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.